everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Megan. This is basically like a little renovation series that I started. Finn and I have been so bored at home that we decided that we were basically going to renovate his whole space downstairs, so the bathroom, the bedroom, and the kitchen area. We started with the bathroom, so that's what's going to be featured in today's video. So if you like home renovations, then keep on watching. So this is what Finn's bathroom used to look like. The walls were yellow, all of the furniture was black, so it was basically like a little bumblebee room. I love everything to be fresh and crisp and white. Also, the towels hanging on the shower is like one of my biggest pet peeves, so we're definitely going to get a towel rack. And yeah, it just overall needed like a little bit of an update, so that's basically what we did. So we took everything out of the bathroom. We just put this mirror up for now. Obviously we're gonna get a new one, but just for now to get rid of all the black that was in here before, and we just put all of our stuff in this one cabinet. We're gonna paint everything and clean everything, and then we ordered like a plant and a towel rack to go here so the towels don't have to be hung on the, sorry, someone's cutting their lawn, hung on the shower, and a new bath mat. So today my task is basically cleaning the entire bathroom. I'm going to start with the shower, just make like all the grout super clean, bleach it, and then I'm gonna clean all the baseboards and wipe down all the walls so that we can start painting either today, later, or tomorrow. The unit that was supposed to go where the sink and mirror is, we haven't ordered yet from IKEA. We were just waiting because we were kind of undecided on what we wanted. But the one, like the mirror and the vanity that we have right now have to go. All the wood is like chipping and peeling. And although we could like repaint it, because it has grooves and stuff in it, it'd be really hard to sand it down and paint it. Plus there's not a lot of storage space, and now that both Finn's stuff and my stuff's there, like I need a lot of drawer space. I have a lot of products and stuff that I need to store away, and I hate having things on the counter. So we have to order that from IKEA either like today or tomorrow. We're just waiting to hear back from them because they messed up our shipping. So we had to like pay a delivery fee twice instead of just once, even though we were ordering like one big order. So anyways, that is the plan for today, and I will show you kind of what it looks like. Gonna give you a little update. I didn't take any footage of us painting because it was a disaster. We obviously still need to do another coat. We've only done one coat so far, and we started painting this little IKEA furniture, so we're gonna finish it tonight. We just have to wait 4 hours for the paint to dry, and then I'll show you what it looks like once it's all done. So I ordered a skincare fridge. Well, actually, Finn ordered it for me for my birthday, and I'm being a little bit bad and opening it before my birthday because my birthday isn't until May, but we're doing the bathroom right now and I want all of my skincare to be cold instead of having it in like the food fridge. So I thought I would just show you which one that I got. I always find it really difficult to get things out of boxes. I ordered this one from Amazon just because I find that some skincare fridges are really ugly to look at, and I'd rather not have that on my counter. But this one was so cute, and it has like a little mirror on the front. Looks like that. Oh, I think that's actually upside down. This is the top of the fridge. Cute. And all the cords that go with it. Okay, so I set her up. It turns on like this, which is so cute. You just turn it off, and then inside I just put my serum. I also put a face mask by First Aid Beauty. I put my eye patches, my moisturizer, my vitamin C serums, and then in the corner I just have some eye patches and face masks. But yeah, I got it on Amazon. I just think it is a little bit more aesthetically pleasing than some of the other fridges just because it has a mirror and a little light, so very happy about that. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. This area over here is almost done. I just need to put the artwork on the wall over the toilet. Our vanity still hasn't come yet, so as soon as that comes, this is being ripped out and we're putting our new IKEA vanity in. This is how my little skincare fridge cabinet turned out. It actually took like 5 coats of paint to cover up the black furniture, so it took a little while, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. And then we just have to do the electrical stuff still. So our light fixture is going to be changed, and of course that's going to be covered. And then our shower is all organized. I'm just waiting for the bath mat that I ordered from Urban Outfitters, and that'll basically be it. So we're just going to be putting this light fixture up and also this painting.
So this is it. So I think you have to put up there. That. Yeah. So okay, so
our vanity and our mirrors have finally arrived. So we're gonna be ripping this bad boy out of here. Finally, I'm so excited. And probably in the next week, the whole bathroom will be complete. But yeah, this is as big as our sink is gonna be, so it's gonna be huge. We're gonna put it right up against the wall and kind of like come out because it's quite a bit wider or longer than this one. And yeah. Okay, so the old vanity has been taken off. It actually caused a lot more damage than we were expecting and pulled off a lot of the drywall. I didn't film it just because Finn did most of the work and he just basically ripped it off the wall. This is our new vanity, or part of it. I took the drawers out from over here just because I was trying to like organize all my stuff. the bathroom is a freaking mess. So I'm hoping Finn fills this in today and then we can put our new stuff up. This is the sink countertop, and then faucet just looks like that. So yeah, I'm so excited for this to be done. The bathroom has been a construction zone for the past month, maybe 2 months, just because the vanity was kind of like the last thing we needed to do in here. So I'm so excited for this to be done. You have no idea. So I'm just in the process of hanging up this little hook for the hand towel on the wall, and I think it would look good there, but I'm not sure, maybe a little bit over. I don't know. I'm also trying to figure out how to use one of these drills because Finn won't help me, and I can't figure out how to like unscrew this bit and put this one in instead. So I'm gonna Google it. Okay, so apparently it was so easy. You just have to like twist the top. Anyways, YouTube is so helpful. But this is the little hook. How cute. So we had a minor setback with the bathroom. These mirrored cabinets were on the wall, and the wall plugs didn't work and it kind of made a mess. So Finn has gone to Home Depot to get some different wall plugs, and hopefully we can rehang these up today. And then the bathroom will be done. Does the vanity look? He just finished it today and I'm obsessed.
She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang girl, you got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger, you out here dressing a kid with it. Way you breaking them necks, I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look, burning up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, 'cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Guns on sight, and she know that she a little bad. Hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Shawty, you bad, you know it. I'ma say less, let me show